Let's go. We got 1 hour to get to the top.
We just follow Seco.
Seco, yeah.
And he knows what's up. Wow. Oh, fuck.
So on day 2, I have my breakfast. I have my desayuno típico, which consists of frijoles, scrambled eggs, plantains, and some tortilla. After breakfast and a very slow start today, I got some lunch, and of course we had to get some pupusas. $1200 Cafe is actually located on the slopes of Boqueron or San Salvador Volcano. It has a stunning view of the entire city. Their coffee is supplied by Four Monkeys, which is a different coffee chain, and they have a wide range of different specialty Salvadorian coffees. They use a medium roast for their espresso and their filtered coffees. If you enjoy the view of the city and you like good specialty coffee from El Salvador, you should definitely check out 1200 Cafe.
So this is the mocha mix, and it has espresso, leche, chocolate, caramello, and almendra. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está?
We are on our way to El Boqueron or San Salvador Volcano. It's a little late. We had a very late start. It was raining in the morning, but we're still going there right now.
All right, so San Salvador Volcano, the park closes at 5, but we have a local guide, so we're taking a different route, and we are going. Hell yeah, one is like.
Carlos, y para allá arriba vive gente.
Solo es esta casa privada.
Oh,
Solo
el
es
chuchi siguiendo.
Se llama
Ay,
Seco.
Chuchi. ¿Ah?
Seco.
Seco se llama.
Seco.
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 Hola, Seco.
Let's go, Seco.
Seco, Seco.
Let's go. We got 1 hour to get to the top. We got more like 5 minutes.
It better be 5 minutes.
Yeah. We're taking a shortcut too.
We definitely are. And then we have company. Seco.
Same thing. Let's go.
Seco already knows the way. We are in his neighborhood. He's a local.
So we don't even need him. We just follow the dog, right?
I know, right?
Hope you get a view.
Martin. Channel 21. We are here. Look at that tower.
Max.
Let's go, Max.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
El Boqueron, or simply San Salvador Volcano, last erupted in 1917. You can see from the aerial view that the main crater is about a 1.5 kilometer distance, and you can see Volcanecito, which is a small crater within the crater. El Boqueron is a very popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. It's massive, and they say that there used to be a lake before it erupted in 1917. So this is Volcano. How long ago?
¿Cuánto tiempo atrás?
Hace 104 años.
104 years old.
Wow.
104 years ago.
We actually got here really late, almost closing time, and so we couldn't get in through the official entrance, so we got some of the local guides to take us, and it was a short hike. It was getting dark soon, so we finished our hike and we're checking out some of the souvenirs. It was getting dark and it's also a bit cloudy, and so we're headed back to San Salvador, and I have vlog number 3 coming up next, so be on the lookout for that. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and if you like my channel, consider subscribing. Till next time, stay fluid and keep moving. Peace.